I better drop now when he grab you.
Okay, that didn't go too well.
Make sure the water is boiling hot. I added some Cream of Nature conditioner to lock in the moisture. The hair is soft and moisturized with the color and to help it blend.
I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as
My camera stopped recording, but I poured all of the crimson in the water.
I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was.
When I got done putting all the color in, I just basically took a stick and I just stirred it all up. When you got it all stirred up, you want to take the hair and just start to dip it in. When I dip it in, I hold on to the lace so it's not so more of the lace that gets dyed. But I end up having to bleach the fucking knots again anyway. You'll see, but yeah. So in this, you see me just putting a sheer pantyhose, cutting one of the things off and sticking it on my head. I like to use pantyhose instead of wig caps because they're a lot thinner and I believe they're easier to blend with, with the lace and stuff. So yeah, that's why I use pantyhose instead of wig caps. Really stood here on my phone for like 30 minutes. I start to apply this 30-second lace bond to the stocking cap around my hairline where I want the stocking cap to stay. I'm gonna warn you, this is super, super sticky and stringy, and also because it's so close to your eyes and your eyes are wide open, your eyes will hurt because of the chemicals. Yeah, that's why my face is looking like that, and that's why my eyes are looking like that. Start to use a comb to spread it out and rub it in. Then you're just going to want to blow dry it till it's no longer sticky and it's dry. After that's all drying, I like to spray lace tint on my lace so it blends. Before this, I did bleach the knots again because all the knots were super red, so I bleached them, and now this is it drying. And yeah, I sprayed the lace tint on it. So I'm going to take an eyebrow razor now and cut off the excess cap, around the part that I didn't glue, and just get as close as I can to the cap in my scalp without cutting myself. So now that the cap is cut, I take some foundation on a beauty blender and just kind of blend the cap in with my scalp so it looks smoother and it looks like a better application. Apparently, I also use a little bit of the lace tint onto my cap. This is the look you're going for. Ultimately, it should just look like a bald cap at the end. This is me not really liking how the front of the wig looks, so I eventually go in and pluck, but I just tried it on to make sure it fit. So I go in and pluck the hairline and make it perfect, as you see here. I was fitting it out because the side, you see that side is thicker than the other side. Both my phones had died, but I put it on. I blow dried it. This is the hair foam I use on my edges, and then I use one of those paper wraps. As the frontal is laying and my edges are being laid, I just go in and start to style the hair with my flat iron. As flat as it's gonna get right now. I'm gonna cut the lace, curl it. We gonna see. Bye. So I curl it, put it in flexi rods, add a little got to be glued.
Last night I was chillin' in the VIP. Bitches in my section, but they claimin' they don't fuck with me. I was in my own vibe on that ecstasy. Cameras flashing.